All right, Rankin family. So this is that 2695W floor plan by Perry Homes. This one is a certain elevation where you're going to have that two-tone or multi-tone stone right there with the painted white brick. And then as soon as you walk in, you're going to have this nice large foyer right here. Inside of the foyer, you're going to have the tray ceilings right there on top. Of course, Perry Homes, they do a fantastic job of having a lot of the key features that you don't think about, but are a nice to have, such as the tray ceilings. And the good thing about this one, as soon as you walk in right to the left, you're going to have that study that gives you some privacy, especially for work purposes, just to be able to have, seclusion for the most part, as well as having the French glass pane double doors right there as well. And then what we'll do is we'll head right here to the left so that way you can see the first bedroom that's sectioned off in this one. So you have plenty of space. As you can even see, you have the queen size bed with the essentially night tables. You have a nice little desk right here, but it just kind of gives you an idea of how much room is in this one itself. And then right here, you have the bathroom that is attached to this bedroom, which is perfect for the guests and just having some folks that want to stay in the house with you. You have that nice, beautiful backsplash right there. Nice standing shower. Plus, you have your nice size walk-in closets. Baseboard in here as well. If you notice right here, you do have the quartz countertops with the stainless steel lighting fixture and the LED ceiling fan, which is definitely a plus. Right there, you'll have your true three car garage side by side instead of the tandem, which is fantastic itself as well. And then right here, you would have your mudroom coming in from your garage. And then if you notice, you have that beautiful chandelier up there. Definitely nice touch on the ceiling itself. And then this will be your kitchen opening up to the living room, and you have essentially a dining area right here as well. But what we'll do is we'll start in the kitchen. You have that nice, beautiful tile backsplash. Plus you have the wooden range hood, white cabinetry with the cabinet crowns on top. And you have your stainless steel built-in cooktop right here. You have 5 burners on that one. And then even with the cabinetry, you do have the glass panes in there, which definitely adds an elegant, nice look. And then this will be your nice size walk-in pantry. Even with the stainless steel built-in oven, stainless steel built-in microwave as well. I definitely love the glass blowout lighting fixtures right above the island. Definitely adds a nice touch. And Perry Homes, they are known to have that, countertop that extends over here. Just gives you some nice extra cabinet space. A lot of times you might put a Keurig right there like they did, some coffee supplies, and plus you can just add a lot of decorations that you could add from IKEA and things like that. And then even right here, going into your living room, you have the LED ceiling fan again in here. Plus you have your electric fireplace right there as well. You have plenty of space. So if you can imagine having all the family over right here and being able to entertain them without any side conversations or, people feeling left out, things like that. So what we'll do now is we'll head to the primary bedroom, and you can see how large this primary bedroom is. So if you notice, they even have this oversized carpet right here, plush carpet or plush rug rather. And it definitely feels amazing, but look how large this is. So you have your nice chandelier, wooden chandelier. It's that candlelight chandelier as well. And look how much room you got. Just plenty of room. If you see, you even have a whole section over here just to, have some decorations, and you'll be able to have a nice touch that's added to the property just because you have so much room inside of that primary. And then look how much room you have in the primary bathroom. You got your his and hers sink, quartz countertops, nice rectangular soaking standalone tub. You got your tile flooring in this one as well. You even have a walk-in linen closet right here, but look how much space you have. Even right there, you have your nice wooden mirror framing on both sides, adds a nice touch with the lighting fixtures. And then we'll head right here so you can see how large the standing shower is. Got the tile backsplash in here, the gold trim shower head, shower bench right there. Plenty of space inside of this one without a doubt. And then look at the nice size walk-in closet right here. You got plenty of space for a nice size wardrobe right here. Even up on top, you can add a lot of the shoes and things like that up there. And we've been head right here so you can see the other closet. So you got your built-in shelving in this one. So this will definitely be for the ladies, just because they typically have a lot of shoes, and you definitely want to make sure it is accommodating. And of course, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can find all the information you need in the description below. All right, so that was two of those right there, 2 bedrooms that we saw, and then we'll head this way so you can see the other 2. But before we do that, you got your nice size laundry room right here. You can even see you have your oversized washer and dryer with the cabinetry on top with a nice rack right there, and you still have plenty of space. And then even looking inside of here, this will be your nice shower tub combo with the tile backsplash again. You got your stainless steel lighting fixture on top with the quartz countertops extending in here with the white cabinetry and the stainless steel faucets. And then right here will be your 3rd bedroom. So you got your LED ceiling fan in here. You definitely have plenty of space, plenty of walk room in this one. You could even add another nightstand right there and you would still have plenty of room to walk around. Even if you look right here, you just may move that bed over a little bit more. But if you did have a queen size bed in here, you might not be able to fit another nightstand in there. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. Whoever decides to stay in this room or move into this room itself, just so you don't have that cluttered feel. But this one is a little bit larger than that last one for sure. That's your LED ceiling fan on top again. And this one, you can comfortably fit a queen size bed with the 2 nightstands, and you would still have plenty of room without a doubt. So these 2 bedrooms would share that full bathroom over there, but you still have plenty of space. So this would be a perfect section for the kiddos or someone that would be more of a smaller child that wouldn't need too much. But you know, to each his own. You can fit whoever you need to in this one. But I'll definitely pan one more time for you so that way you can see what we're working with. And now let's take a look at the backyard on this one as well. And so this one is 55 feet lot. It's a 55-foot lot. So that just kind of gives you a basis of a lot of these inventory homes, what they would be able to accommodate depending on how much space you need. But even this covered backyard patio, this is an extended one, and you still have plenty of space. And then this will give you a basis of a 55-foot lot. And then I'll even let you, a little muddy. And I'll even let you see the back of the property. And that, folks, is Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely love this property tour. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want any more information, I have all of it in the description below just for you. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.